So hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, StudyByte, and the time is 12:54 a.m. Yeah, you heard it right. So I have recorded almost three videos, but there's some issue. I'm unable to upload it because I made some mistakes and all that happened. I'm sorry to tell you, but if I will do some mistake in it, so please, I'm sorry for that once again in advance. Firstly, uh, comment comment in the video that should I make in English or in Hindi, because I'm more comfortable in Hindi, but I'm learning uh, to be confident in English, so I'm making it in English. So without further ado, let's start. I don't know, my brain is okay, not working. Let's focus. Okay, it's 1 a.m. right? Oh God. Okay, let's start. Firstly, in this, we will discuss what is file system. Uh, I want to mention something that I will not read and explain. I will just explain, because if you want to notes, so this is a notes. You can screenshot it or you can note it down. What is file system? File system store data in separate file, like having many books. You must remember which notebook has what information, where each detail is written, and sometimes the same detail get written again and again. This makes things mess and confusing when data become large. Yeah, you heard it right. It become mess and a lot of confusion because uh, yeah, because if the data is large in the file and it become mess. What now? We'll move to database management system, DBMS. DBMS is like having a digital cupboard with labeled drawer. It store data in a organized way, so you can find so you can find basically so you can find something like find something quickly. You don't repeat things, means something like suppose if I want to search something, you can search in search bar, so result will be there, and there is no duplicate, and there is no duplicate in it. Duplicate is not there. Duplicate is not there. You can lock it with a password. Yeah, if you have a password something, you can just put it. Many people can use it at the same time safely. This is a short explanation. I hope you like it. I think I'm too fast because I have to also add it. I know I'm not perfectionist as an editor, so it takes me a time. Okay, so let's move to now. I will explain each difference simply. First, I have explained this definition. See, in this, there's a one-line explanation, but I have given a full means explanation of definition. That's why I don't want to read this and just explain. So, like, if you want to discuss the difference, first is data redundancy. Like, data redundancy is what is redundancy? Firstly, extra part of anything. Suppose you have duplicate the extra part of same file. So data duplicate one. So for example, we have something like toy one and toy one again. So it's an extra part. So we can just skip that. We can just in DBMS there is no redundancy. There's very low redundancy. There's no extra part in it. There's no duplicate in it. That's why redundancy is low, and whereas file system redundancy is high. As you can see in this, redundancy, high redundancy, and low redundancy in it. Just now I have explained it. I hope you know. Once again, redundancy is extra part of anything. Now, file system in okay, in file system consistency. In file system, data consistency is very you can see data must be same everywhere. So yeah, that is not consistent in terms of this. But in DBMS, it basically shows the basically data is consistent in it in everywhere. Data security. Data security is like protecting information with password and permission. Uh, DBMS lock your data like a locker, but uh, file system is less secure than DBMS. Security is done now like this concurrent access. Many people can use data at the same time. Like clerk, teacher both can check same student information. Backup recovery. Data can be recovered if lost. If lost, data can be recovered. But in file system, it's manual backup, and database it's automatic. Data integrity. What is data integrity? Basically, it's a perfection of something. If data is integrated, data have integrity, it means it's consistent, it's accurate, it is like, yeah, means there is some parts. Parts should be true or should be correct, so that data is integrity, and it means all the perfection in it. Simple as that. If the data is perfect, that means data it is integrated data integrity. That's it. Data must be correct and meaningful. DBS will not allow phone number ABCD. That's why must be correct. Ease of use. Yeah, easy to search and retrieve. Basically, in database it's easy, but in file system it's complex. Why it's complex? Because if we compare to DBMS, we can use select command, insert command, update command, any SQL command to just for example, if we take an example of SQL command, select star from table name. This is command. So in this all the data showed. So this make it easy. These command make it easy to edit, understand, or display the structured data. Okay, I think this is the simplest explanation I can explain. I have explained. Okay, database system concept. In this, we'll see database, DBMS, database user. So firstly, data. So data is like any information, name, student ID, or age, number, etc. What is database now? Because some people think database and data is same thing, but no. Database is a place to store a lot of related data. If the data is related, it means it is database. If related data is stored, it means it's a database. If there is no related data, is if there is any information, any, so it's a data. Uh, what is DBMS now? DBMS is nothing but a computer program that helps store and find data easily. Software storing student records. This is an example. What is end user? End user is like people who use the database. The people who use the database is a end user.